Very nice to see all the fog coming up over here. Good deal. I got this for 1500 rupees only. This is the Gurudwara. From there we came. This is Manali, and we are going far straight. And this is a cute doggo.
Hi, good morning guys. So we are checking into our hotel, that is Satwa Hotel Manali. The hotel is pretty decent. I really like it. And yes, you can definitely do the early morning check-in. It's currently almost 5:40 a.m.
Welcome to Lee Green Hotel. That's the view, and the road is from there. It's just behind the Gurudwara. It's very nice to see all the fog coming up over here. This is the corridor, the room 203. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of it, how it looks like. So as soon as you enter, you see the huge bed over here, enough for accommodates 2 adults, and there is a kettle, electric kettle, the telephone to connect with the reception, chair and table, a big TV. I think this is a smart TV, and hi, that's me. A very big wardrobe, which is all the rules written over here and things which you might need later. A working geyser. The bathroom is pretty big. There is also a Wi-Fi. There's a window over here just in case, and this window is showing you the same view as in this. That's the Gurudwara, as I told you. They have given also a big balcony. This is the sample of one of the rooms which we have taken. So yeah, it's a good deal. I got this for 1500 rupees only. It's off season. When it's on season, it goes to 3000 or 4500 with the balcony view. So yeah, much recommended.
Skies are blue past the evergreen. Tell me, baby, do you see? I see every little thing. Tell me, babe, you feel the wind driving fast down past your street. Tell me now, what can you see? I see every little thing. Tell me, babe, you feel the wind. You don't have time. Driving signs getting in the way. Tell me, baby, do I stay? We don't need a single thing. me home or drive me wild. Tell me now, put on a smile. I can see you holding in. Tell me, darling, feel the wind.
तुझे